This YouTube channel is reportedly earning up to $25,000 a month solely through the creation and uploading of YouTube Shorts. The noteworthy aspect is that AI is utilized for generating titles, descriptions, hashtags, and even the content itself. Here is one of their latest videos. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on creating over 1,000 of these videos absolutely free and in no time at all. We'll achieve this by leveraging two AI tools to automate the entire process. The initial tool we're utilizing is ChatGPT. I've included a link in the description for your convenience, and I'll meet you in a moment. To access ChatGPT, you need to sign up for an account. Upon logging in, you'll encounter a screen that resembles the one shown here. So, my next step is to provide you with the exact prompt that I'm about to use in just a moment. You'll find it right below this video, along with a secondary prompt. I've already tailored these prompts to yield precisely what we're aiming for. Now, let's delve into the details. Essentially, we're instructing the AI to generate 50 sets of facts, with each set comprising a topic, part 1 and part 2, mirroring the structure you observed in the example video. I've included several examples below this explanation. Furthermore, I've instructed the AI to format the output in a way that facilitates easy copy-pasting into our next tool, streamlining the process. The result will be a well-organized table with a breakdown step by step. I've also diversified the fact types by including categories like psychology, crush, relationship, boy, girl, and more, ensuring a broad range. Additionally, I've directed the AI to focus specifically on content that is highly relatable for increased shareability and engagement. This approach aims to deliver precisely what you commonly encounter on YouTube. What we're going to do is copy and paste it, hit send message, and then let it generate. It's crucial to perform a quick check to ensure that the generated content aligns with your expectations. In this case, it's exactly what we're aiming for. The output will consist of 3 columns, the first with different types of facts, the second indicating the starting point, and the third representing the end or the punchline, so to speak. This process will generate 50 facts initially. You have the flexibility to adjust this number, but it's advisable not to exceed 50. The sweet spot for optimal quality from ChatGPT lies somewhere between 30 and 50. Requesting 100 or 200 facts may or may not be fulfilled initially, and there's a risk of receiving a substantial amount of irrelevant or low-quality content. For the initial 50, if the goal is to reach 1,000, we'll simply copy and paste the second prompt. It instructs the AI to generate 50 more using the same specifications, ensuring that none of the previous ones are repeated for uniqueness. I won't have you sit through the process of generating 1,000 videos worth of prompts. We'll commence with these initial 50, and then we can proceed further. Feel free to follow along if you're interested in generating 1,000, 2,000, or even 5,000 or 6,000. Our next step is to copy everything from this table. Let's go ahead and copy the entire content. Copy that, and let's proceed to our next tool, where we'll engage in some automated editing to seamlessly bring all elements together and efficiently create numerous videos at once. You'll witness how, with a bit of tweaking, I can generate 50 videos effortlessly. Now we're at Canva.com. You can either click the link in the description to navigate here directly or visit Canva.com in your browser. Sign up for a free account, and once logged in, you'll encounter this screen. Here's what we'll do. Click the search bar in the middle. Type in YouTube Shorts, select the YouTube Shorts template, and opt for Create Blank Template. This action will provide us with a fresh template ready for use. To prepare this template for automated video creation, we'll add a background video, incorporate text placeholders for the topic, Part 1 text and Part 2 text. Then we'll import all our data. Starting with the video background, click on Apps at the bottom left, scroll down to find videos, or use the search bar. Let's search for something like beach or sunset for an ambient nature feel, similar to the example. Choose a video. Some may have a crown indicating a premium feature. For bulk creation, a free trial is needed. Set it up, and later you can cancel it. If your free trial isn't activated, you'll find free-to-use videos. To begin, once you've located a video of your liking, click on it. Drag the video to the edge of your editor window, giving it the appearance you see now, attempting to set it as the entire background of your editing window, which aligns with our goal. Release the mouse cursor, and you'll observe it applied as a background video. Now, the next step is to refine it for text insertion. To accomplish this, we'll shorten the video since 19 minutes is excessively long. Aim for a concise 5 to 6 second total video duration. Additionally, ensure that any existing background noise or music is not carried forward. To achieve this, use the cut icon, dragging it down to 6 seconds for a cleaner canvas ready for text incorporation. I believe the current length is more than sufficient. Now we have a 6-second video, down from a 19-second one. The final step is eliminating any background audio or noise. Click on the video, select the volume icon, and drag it all the way down. Now you're good to go. Let's proceed to add text before connecting it to our data for complete automation in the creation process. Navigate to the text section and drag in any of these text elements. We'll make adjustments to it. This first piece of text will be the topic. I'll also change the font as the current one isn't optimal. Trying this one, it looks decent, so I'll go with that. However, feel free to choose any font that suits your style and preferences. Next, so I'll replace the existing text with the word topic. Drag it to the top, adjusting its position. Now let's style it and add a background using the effects menu. Go to background, and if it's not already black, select black as the color. Click out of that, and you'll see the topic text is essentially ready. Our action involves clicking on this element and duplicating it. Drag the duplicated element down. This will serve as our Part 1 text. Double-click on it, replacing the existing text with Part 1 for clarity. Additionally, remove the background by selecting the text element, clicking on Effect, and choosing None for the background style. However, to enhance readability, I'll add an outline since the current text is difficult to read without a background. Click on Outline. I'll use black for the color and increase the thickness. It's much easier to read. This is the desired text appearance. Now, moving on to Part 2, we'll click on Part 1 text, select Duplicate, and drag it down. While it eventually needs to appear in the same place as Part 1, leaving it there initially makes it challenging to connect the data for automation. I'll explain this shortly. Now, our template is nearly ready for data connection. Now, what we want to do is start connecting all of our text. To do that, we'll use a tool in Canva called Bulk Create. To access it, click on Apps in the bottom left, and you'll find it under Videos, Bulk Create. If you can't locate it, use the search bar, click on it, and it will prompt you to enter all your data. This is why we asked ChatGPT to provide text in a table format. This way we can copy and paste it in, and Canva recognizes each set of text, topics, Part 1s, Part 2s. Copy the data, go into Canva, click Enter Data manually, and paste it into the first column in the top left. Canva will automatically format it, distinguishing between topics, Part 1s, and Part 2s. Click Done. Now, connect the data to specific elements in your editor. Right-click on Topic, select Connect Data, and you'll see squiggly lines around it, indicating it's connected. Do the same for Part 1 and Part 2. One final note, we don't want both sets of text to display simultaneously. Adjust the timing so Part 1 and Part 2 don't overlap. Right-click on Part 1, select Show Timing, and use the timeline view to decide when each part shows. Repeat the process for Part 2. Once connected, drag Part 2 over Part 1 because we want both sets of text to display sequentially. Click Continue, and when you hit Generate, it will create all 44 videos. Though we requested 50, it generated 44. Click Generate, and it will create each video. After completion, hit Save or Share, click Download, and ensure you select Download Pages as separate files. to get 44 separate videos ready for upload. We've achieved all of this with AI and a bit of automation, making the process efficient for generating a large number of videos. Simply repeat these steps as needed to produce thousands of videos for your AI-driven YouTube automation channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.